Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fenwick Inn. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The newly renovated Fenwick Inn is located in North Ocean City, 0.6 miles from Fenwick Island. The beach is only 328 feet away. Now offering a free continental breakfast which includes pastries, fruit, and your choice of coffee or juice. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Check out our new splash pad for the kids by the indoor pool. All air-conditioned guest rooms include refrigerator and cable TV. The inn also offers a vending machine, a hot tub and a 24-hour front desk. The property offers free parking. Fenwick Inn is 1 mile from Thunder Lagoon Water Park. Salisbury-Ocean City-Wicomico Airport is 33 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.